Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So today I'm kind of in a time crunch because I have to get going for my holiday party. I have to put on my Smokey eye makeup and my cocktail dress, and I don't have a lot of time, so let's get going. Just kidding guys, I don't have a holiday party.
My non-existent holiday party.
But I thought it would be kind of fun today to give myself a little glam glow up. I was really inspired by James Charles' makeup he did on TikToker Addison Rae, so I wanted to, give myself a little glam glow up going on, because this is pretty much what I look like every day when I wake up and get going with those Zoom calls for work. So the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime the face, which I have already done so. And now I'm going to get going by applying my eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I'm actually going to be using a super popular palette that I've been using in several videos, which is a Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. Like seriously, I have been hitting pan on many of the colors. So very proud of the usage I got out of this eyeshadow palette. So today I'm actually going to be first going in and creating like this highlighting glittery inner corner shade, and then it's going to transition into this smoked out wing color. I'm going to be using a combination of the smoked sea salt for the extended wing and black sugar, so this like dark sparkly shade that they have in this palette. And for the inner corners, I'm going to be using Exotica and some of the Indulge just to highlight, and I'm probably also going to be going in with my Stila Shimmer and Glow just to create that dewy radiance look. So I want to first apply the base shade, which is Cake Batter, all over the lids. And then I'm going to be using some of the Guilt Free. And then after that, I'm going to be using this Smoked Sea Salt shade. I'm just going to start pulling it out into this extended V look, and then I'm going to take this other angled brush that I have and just really draw it out. Then I'm going to actually bring some of the smoked sea salt to the under eyes area, the lower lash line, because I love me some under eye color as well. I think it just really adds to the smoky look. Then I'm going to take this angled brush that I have, and I'm going to take that smoked sea salt, and I'm just going to keep shading into this outer V type shape just to create that dramatic cat wing. I'm actually going to be going in with the black sugar and kind of tracing that over to just add and create that drama. As you can see, I've really like smoked out the wing, and then I'm going to be applying like that inner quarter shimmery shade that he applied on Addison as well. And I'm going to be using Exotica and Indulge, these shimmery champagne shades. And then I might just add in my Stila Shimmer and Glow and Kitten because that just gives it an extra oomph. Highlight my inner corners as well. And then also for some added drama, I'm going to be using my Stila Shimmer and Glow and Kitten and just applying that over the highlight. Because I just think it just adds like this instant sparkle. Okay, I think that looks about good. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner. So I'm going to be using my Lorac Pro liner. And rather than tracing the liner all the way out to this dramatic cat wing, I'm just going to draw it like the usual length. Okay, so now that I have gone ahead and lined the eyes, I'm actually going to skip my additional step that I usually take, which is tracing over the liner. I don't really want to soften up the look today. I want it to be very smoky and very dramatic, so I am going to keep it as is. So the next step I'm going to take is I'm actually going to, I know I kind of documented this in a previous video, but I'm going to face my struggles and apply falsies. I'll be using my Revlon Beyond Natural falsies, so let's see how I do today. I really should invest in magnetic falsies. I think it's just so much easier to apply. You guys should see the terror in my eyes when I apply these falsies. Okay, here it goes. Try my best. For some reason, this eye is always so much easier. I just like plopped it on with one try. Try the other one. Okay, that doesn't like super bad, although I do have some glue I need to fix. Okay, so I got the falsies on, and pretty much, I am kind of like 3/4 of the way done with this look. So I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes, however, with my Lancome Monsieur Big. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. I'm going to use my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlight. And I honestly loved how sparkly James and Addison's highlighter was in the video. So I'm actually going to be using some of the Too Faced chocolate gold palette, and it has this really pretty dripping diamonds eyeshadow shade. I'm just going to apply some to the cheeks as well because it's super glittery, and I loved their highlighter, whatever they were using in the video. It's really pretty. Okay, so I'm done with that, and I know James did not do this in his video, but I actually felt like adding some glitter to this look as well. Myself, I'm going to go full on glam. So I'm going to be using my Stila All My Stars gift set and just apply it to the bottom lash line, the corners of it. So I think actually I'm going to be using my bronze shimmery lipstick just because anytime I do a really dramatic eye, I like to balance it out with some nude shade. There you have it. This is the finished look. I think it's super dramatic and it's really pretty for a night out. And this look wouldn't be complete unless I transform my outfit as well. So let me go ahead and do that. Hey guys, outfit is changed and I put on some accessories as well. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this dramatic glow up glam look. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.